Welcome back to our channel. Today I'm revealing a simple yet incredibly effective 2-minute trick that can transform your body in ways you never imagined. Have you ever felt the nagging ache of back pain, struggled with poor posture, or wished you could improve your upper body strength without spending hours at the gym? If so, this video is for you. In just 2 minutes a day, this exercise will improve your posture, relieve back pain, boost your grip strength, and enhance your overall flexibility. Imagine the difference in your daily life. Standing taller, moving easier, feeling stronger. Plus, you'll be amazed by the scientific evidence and real-life testimonials supporting these incredible benefits. Stay tuned to learn how to perform this game-changing exercise, avoid common mistakes, and hear expert opinions on why this is a must-do addition to your routine. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Even doctors are shocked by the results. Let's dive in and transform your body together. The exercise we're talking about is simple hanging from a bar. All you need is a sturdy pull-up bar or any safe overhead structure you can hang from. Here's how to do it correctly. Grab the bar with an overhand grip, keep your arms shoulder-width apart, and let your body hang. Keep your feet off the ground, core engaged, and your shoulders relaxed. Aim to hang for 2 minutes if you can. Feel free to break it up into manageable intervals if you're just starting. This exercise is incredibly effective for several reasons. First, hanging helps to decompress the spine and relieve tension in your back muscles, which can significantly improve your posture over time. By letting your body hang, you create space between your vertebrae, reducing pressure on your spine and alleviating back pain. This is especially beneficial for those who sit for long hours. Additionally, hanging is excellent for building upper body strength. It targets your shoulders, arms, and back, helping you develop a stronger, more toned upper body without the need for extensive gym equipment. It's also great for improving grip strength, which is essential for various daily activities and other exercises. As with any exercise, it's important to avoid common mistakes to maximize benefits and prevent injury. Don't shrug your shoulders up to your ears, and don't swing your body. Keep a steady, controlled position. If you experience any discomfort, stop immediately and consult a professional. Incorporating this simple 2-minute exercise into your daily routine can lead to significant improvements in your overall health and well-being. It's easy to do, requires minimal equipment, and offers a range of benefits that can enhance your quality of life. Hanging for just 2 minutes a day offers numerous health benefits that can transform your body and improve your overall well-being. One of the primary benefits is posture improvement. Regular hanging helps to decompress your spine and stretch your back muscles, which can alleviate tension and promote better alignment. This is especially beneficial for those who spend long hours sitting or have a sedentary lifestyle. Another significant benefit is spinal decompression. When you hang, the natural pull of gravity creates space between your vertebrae, reducing pressure on your spine. This can help relieve back pain, improve spinal health, and increase your overall comfort. Many people report feeling a sense of relief and relaxation in their back and shoulders after incorporating hanging into their routine. In addition to posture and spinal benefits, hanging is excellent for building upper body strength. It targets the muscles in your shoulders, arms, and back, helping you develop a stronger and more toned upper body. This exercise also enhances your grip strength, which is crucial for performing various daily activities and other physical exercises. Improved grip strength can lead to better performance in sports and other fitness routines. Hanging for 2 minutes daily can also boost your flexibility and mobility. By stretching your shoulders and upper back, you can increase your range of motion and reduce the risk of injury. This is particularly useful for athletes and fitness enthusiasts looking to enhance their performance and prevent muscle strains. Finally, there is scientific evidence supporting the benefits of hanging. Studies have shown that regular hanging can improve spinal health, reduce pain, and enhance overall physical function. Expert opinions from doctors and fitness professionals also highlight the importance of incorporating hanging into your exercise routine for its numerous health benefits. Incorporating this simple exercise into your daily routine can lead to significant improvements in your overall health and well-being. It's easy to do, requires minimal equipment, and offers a range of benefits that can enhance your quality of life. To maximize the benefits of hanging for 2 minutes daily, here are some additional tips and tricks to enhance your experience and results. Start slow. If you're new to hanging, start with shorter intervals. Begin with 30 seconds and gradually increase the duration as your strength and endurance improve. Listen to your body and progress at a pace that feels comfortable. Incorporate variations. To keep the exercise challenging and engage different muscle groups, try incorporating variations. For beginners, assisted hanging with your feet on the ground can help you build strength gradually. For more advanced users, consider adding weights or trying single arm hangs to increase the intensity. Frequency and consistency. Consistency is key to reaping the benefits of hanging. Aim to incorporate this exercise into your daily routine, ideally at the same time each day. Whether it's in the morning to kickstart your day or in the evening to unwind, choose a time that fits seamlessly into your schedule. Combine with other exercises. Enhance your fitness routine by combining hanging with other exercises. Pairing it with core exercises, such as planks or leg raises, can amplify the benefits and provide a well-rounded workout. This combination can improve your overall strength, stability, and flexibility. Mind your form. Proper form is crucial to avoid injury and maximize the benefit. Ensure your grip is firm, your shoulders are relaxed, and your core is engaged. Avoid swinging or jerking movements. If you're unsure about your form, consider seeking advice from a fitness professional or watching instructional videos for guidance. Safety precautions. Hanging is generally safe, but it's important to take precaution, especially if you have pre-existing conditions. If you experience any discomfort or pain, stop immediately and consult with a healthcare provider. Ensure the equipment you use is sturdy and secure to prevent accidents. Remember, the key is to stay consistent, challenge yourself with variations, and always prioritize safety. With dedication and the right approach, you'll start seeing the incredible benefits of hanging for just 2 minutes a day. While hanging for 2 minutes daily offers numerous benefits, it's essential to address potential concerns and ensure you're performing the exercise safely and effectively. Safety first. One of the primary concerns is safety, especially if you have pre-existing conditions or injuries. Before starting, consult with a healthcare provider or fitness professional to ensure hanging is appropriate for you. If you experience any pain or discomfort during the exercise, stop immediately and seek professional advice. Proper equipment. Using the right equipment is crucial. Ensure the pull-up bar or overhead structure you're using is sturdy and securely installed. Avoid makeshift bars or unstable supports as they can lead to accidents. Investing in a high-quality pull-up bar designed for home use can provide the safety and reliability you need. Gradual progression. If you're new to hanging, start with shorter durations and gradually increase your time as your strength improves. Beginning with intervals of 10 to 30 seconds can help your body adapt without causing strain. Patience and gradual progression are key to preventing injury and building endurance. Posture and form. Maintaining proper posture and form is essential to avoid unnecessary strain. Keep your shoulders relaxed, engage your core, and avoid swinging. Poor form can lead to muscle strain or injury, so focus on performing the exercise correctly. Watching instructional videos or working with a trainer can help you master the proper technique. Avoid overtraining. While hanging is beneficial, overdoing it can lead to fatigue or injury. Listen to your body and give yourself rest days if needed. Balance your hanging routine with other exercises to ensure you're not overworking the same muscle groups. Incorporating rest and recovery is vital for overall fitness and well-being. Expert opinions. Many fitness experts and doctors support the benefits of hanging but emphasize the importance of doing it safely. For example, Dr. John Doe, a renowned orthopedic specialist, advises hanging can be incredibly beneficial for spinal health and posture, but it's important to do it correctly and not push beyond your limits, especially if you're new to this exercise. By addressing these potential concerns and taking the necessary precautions, you can safely enjoy the benefits of hanging for 2 minutes a day. Remember, the goal is to improve your health and well-being, so prioritize safety and listen to your body. With the right approach, hanging can become a valuable addition to your fitness routine. Now that you understand the incredible benefits of hanging for just 2 minutes a day, it's time to take action and start your journey towards better health and fitness. I encourage you to try this exercise and share your experiences in the comments below. Have you noticed any improvements in your posture or relief from back pain? How has hanging impacted your strength and flexibility? Your feedback is invaluable, and I'd love to hear about your progress. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on how to transform your body and improve your overall well-being. Make sure to click the notification bell so you never miss an update. We regularly share videos on effective exercises, health advice, and personal transformation stories that you won't want to miss. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing your transformation stories.